Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam and today I am so excited because I am back. I've been gone for so many months here on YouTube and I'm excited to share with you just everything. And my homemaking has pretty much evolved. Now I'm doing some homesteading, but today's video is going to be a slow homemaking video. We're going to organize, clean, do some decluttering, and spend some time in the kitchen. But as the video progresses, I want to share with you where I've been and exactly how we have been the last, I don't know, I want to say like year and a half. So yeah, if you're into this type of videos, I invite you to subscribe and just stay. Give this video a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get started. Come on, Winnie. So since last time I saw you, I got some chickens. They've been with us for a whole year and we're enjoying their eggs. I love them. They're like my little pets. Those are my babies. This is my baby Lola, and she lays the most beautiful chocolate colored eggs. No, Winston. So yeah, let's go get some eggs. My friend got me this super cute egg. It's not in a container, but like for grabbing eggs. I don't know where she got it at, but look how beautiful it is. You can see, I'll show you some of the eggs that they lay. Look how beautiful, it's speckled. This is Lola's egg. This January has been by far the coldest month of the year. Last year it wasn't this cold. We have gotten so much snow and I'm so grateful and thankful for this wood burning stove. And we use wood from the property that my husband cut the other day, and it just warms up the whole house and I just love it. It makes it feel cozy and warm. I spy with my little eye 2 kittens, one right here and the other one right there. Did you see it at first? All right, so let's start in the heart of the home, which is the kitchen. And I'm not trying to make any excuses, but we have been sick for the past month. It feels like I got sick with the flu, and then when I was recovering, my husband and my son got sick. So it's been a couple of rough weeks. And also, like, this, now that I'm looking at it, does not look that messy because it was even messier before. But I'm glad that it's not that messy so I can show you, even though it looks trashed to me. But that's why I'm making this video, to keep me accountable and go back to my routine. Also, I think it's very important to normalize dirty kitchens. After all, we eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner here every single day. And when you cook, like, things get really messy, especially when you don't feel so good and you're under the weather. You just let things go, and it's okay. It's not the end of the world. I'm here to motivate you, motivate myself, and just, you know, give you lots of inspirations. I have a system. I don't know what happened with the audio on this video, but I'm gonna try to do my best and explain. My system for me to clean as fast as I can is literally to start by grabbing all of the plates, cups, silverware, everything, and I just throw everything in the the sink. And then my second step is grab everything that I have to throw away, all the trash. And finally, the third step is to grab things that I need to be put away, whether it is in the fridge or in the pantry. And today I had a lot of different miscellaneous things, like my son's toys and drawings, pictures and stuff. So all of that goes upstairs. So I grabbed it and I just cleared my island and countertops. The kitchen is not that dirty and it's semi-clean. I normally just use an all-purpose cleaner and spray the counters and then just wipe them. But today it was just crusty and sticky, so I had to really scrub it with some dish soap and a very good sponge. And I love scrubby daddies. My cats always love to get on top of the counters, and I hate that. So if you have any advice on how to get them to not climb up, I would really appreciate it. We've used before like bottled waters, no, spray waters, but they don't really work that well. So I don't know what to do. I got this calendar. I don't know if I'm going to mount it somewhere or if I'm just gonna leave it there. It's called Cozyla, and I am really enjoying it, but I just need to tell my girls to download the app to their cell phone so that they can start doing the chores, because that's the whole point of the calendar. All right, so up next, let's tackle something that I have been putting up for a whole month. Don't judge me too much. Like I said, we've been terribly sick, so there's a lot of takeout and just food that quite practically was just rotting there, because you know how it is with also leftovers. Some people in my family do not like them, and yeah, we needed to clean the fridge and just go shopping for fresh produce, and the first thing that I needed to do is just take everything out. This is my sourdough starter. It's pretty hungry. You can see all the hooch in there. I haven't baked sourdough since November probably, so I should take it out, leave it for 2 hours at room temperature, and then we're gonna discard some and feed it. I also found out that we had a lot of expired food, and food also that was very old but it was still edible, so I just grabbed everything, leftovers and stuff that were still edible but I did not feel like my family were going to eat it, or I didn't even have desire to eat it because they've been in the fridge for a couple of days now. So the good thing is that we have chickens and they just will eat everything, and I just love to feed them, you know, like protein rich stuff, and they love also my garden. I got into gardening, you guys. I cannot wait to like share everything. But yeah, like especially right now that it's cold, I'm trying to feed them a little bit more and just give them some treats like these venison meatballs, lots of protein rich stuff and veggies. So that's what I'm going to be doing. They are going to be having a feast. Look how cute they are. Chick, 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 chick. Hi, chickpeas. Chick, 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 chick. Where do I put this? Let me put it away from the house a little bit. I don't wanna leave you with this, with a ball. Okay. Come on. Chick, 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 chick. All right, so this is the part where I'm gonna have to get a little bit vulnerable and just be very truthful. I haven't been posting consistently or even at all for a year and a half here on YouTube because I did not have the head to do it, the energy to do it, and the will to do it. I have been extremely depressed and obnoxiously anxious because me and my family, we experienced a very traumatic event that cost us a lot of time to process, and thankfully through therapy and just through God and being there for each other, we're getting through it. And I just thrive on routines and on doing something productive. It makes me feel fulfilled, and I just love creating. I love to film and to edit YouTube videos, so I had to get back. I feel lots and lots better, and things look like they are finally becoming better. So all we have to do is pray and go back to life and stay strong. I don't want to get too much into detail just to protect certain members of my family, but I'm just so excited to give back to you guys and to give back to me and take care of myself, care of my family and my home, live a simpler, slower life. I am just seeking and craving peacefulness and just meaningful moments. That's what I want to share on this channel. My home needs some serious TLC, and I need to learn how to regulate my nervous system. So let's start a day at a time, a little corner of our home at a time. And if you really want to go through this process and journey with me, I would love for you to subscribe and like this video and leave me a comment. It's a brand new year, lots of new opportunities, so let's make our spaces, whether it is your mind or your environment, cozy, peaceful, and enjoyable. One of the main goals this year, and one thing that I just literally noticed, is that I might have way too many things, and that's why my mind is so cluttered and anxious all the time, because of all the physical clutter that is literally in my house. Too many cups, too many tumblers. I just want to simplify. So yeah, I hope that you stay, and together we can declutter slowly, month by month, and organize my home. I feel like when things are in order, my mind is in order, and I even have more time to do things that I love, like gardening. This year I got into gardening, and I cannot wait for the next few videos. I'm going to spill some beans and tell you what's coming up. I'm going to show you how I've been winter sowing and starting my seeds for my garden. Yep, my garden just is so special to me, and I've developed a love for growing vegetables and fruits, so I cannot wait to show you. With that comes food preserving and making lots of things from scratch. So I'm really into homemaking now. I am starting my journey with chickens. Maybe this spring I'll get some ducks, and we'll see what the future holds. This will mark the second year that we have gotten half a cow from our local farmer, and we have to go through a lot of meat. So today I'm going to do a stew. My husband loves stews and roasts. I prefer to make these type of cuts into like tacos in the crock pot and just shred the meat. I don't know, something easy, but today we are going to have a stew. Leave the recipe in the description box below just in case you want to make it. Just don't make the mistake of adding the cornstarch into the sauce. You're supposed to add that at the very end when the meat and all the veggies are cooked. One of the things that by far has helped me be more productive in washing dishes and doing like kitchen chores is adding a little TV into my kitchen. I can always just watch like the Food Network or Martha Stewart Living channel. I love that channel. I love Martha Stewart. And you can very inexpensively just buy a thrift store TV and add it into your kitchen. This one is a little smart TV from Amazon, and I downloaded the Pluto app, so it is free TV, like live TV that is streaming there. What I love about the Pluto app is that it's all reruns of old shows and classics, so it just, I don't know, I like it. Very nostalgic. And here I'm showing you my Thai basil that I am overwintering for my garden, and a little tiny seed of tomato sprouted right next to it. Before I scrub my dirty dish, I'm going to wash some of the chicken eggs. In winter, I don't clean the coop that much, so the eggs get a little bit more dirty, and you need to scrub them with like some Castile soap. I have this bar of soap that is for dishes, and I'm using like this little cute chicken scrubber. that I got from Amazon and just scrubbing my eggs. In the winter also, when the chickens lay their eggs in a cold coop, you're supposed to keep the chicken eggs in the fridge so that they stay the same temperature as when they were laid. I like to start my week with clean rags and kitchen towels, so I washed some before I started cleaning the kitchen, and now they're all dry, and I just store them in one of the drawers in my island. If you don't have like a specific place where you can have your overflow of kitchen towels, you can even just I don't know, like organize them in a cute little like wicker basket. A few weeks ago I did some homemade candles with my girlfriends, and I'm trying to use just like more natural products. And I also got this from Amazon. It is a candle warmer, but like I said, I wanted it to be like more natural. I bought some beeswax pellets, and I'm going to experiment and see if I can kind of make like my own candle melt. And I'm just adding the pellets into the warmer, and I'm also going to be experimenting with some orange essential oil. Maybe later in the week I'll add other scents, but it smelled really good when it melted, and it just made the place look cozy because of the light, and then the aroma, I don't know, it just felt clean, and I really liked that. When I was done, I put up a jazz playlist on YouTube with a cute Snoopy backdrop, and it just made the place look cozy and inviting. By the end of the day, the kitchen was clean, and I am exhausted and elated. So thank you so much for watching this video and for allowing me to be vulnerable. I'm so happy to be back on YouTube. I don't know if you can hear my dogs are just crazy barking, but don't mind them. Yeah, I'm so happy to continue this journey of becoming better and just sharing every single little detail of my homesteading / homemaking life. I cannot wait for the next video. Stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't, and thanks again.